guys. Place like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share this video among the friends. If you don't have them, you will have to gain them. Um, Today in this video I want to talk about some patterns and what is basically a pattern. Um, it's like not like related to any specific language, right? So it's like more of theory, right? So yeah, it's more like a theory. So um, I don't know. Maybe the example would be that like pattern of making a car is like it will have, I don't know, usually like some kind of wheels and some kind of, I don't know, frames that will connect these wheels, also some engines that will actually move everything, and like chairs, etc. So this is like some pattern for creating um, car, right? So I don't know, a pattern uh, for football is like some players are running and they're scoring goals and etc. So in programming, there's also some patterns of doing some apps. So of course, like some patterns are specific if so for some kind of apps. Some are like kind of universal or other stuff. So um, yeah, basically for this one, I'm not like knowing those kind of stuff. Um, so I will just use this website and I'll show you this website. Okay, so maybe we can translate it in English, right? So what is the design pattern? So more about the categories, benefits, history, criticism, and catalog of patterns. So here is like all the patterns, right? So uh, okay, so and we have like three categories. Okay, so let's read them: creational patterns, structural patterns, behavioral patterns. So creational patterns, as patterns provide various object creating mechanisms which increase flexibility in the use of existing code. So basically, it's like not declaring a static variable, but using some kind of pattern. Structural patterns. These patterns explain how to assemble objects and classes into large structures while keeping the structures flexible and fixed. So this is like about like object-oriented stuff, right? So you have an object and you have other object in it, and it's like a structure. Behavioral patterns. These patterns are concerned with algorithms and the assignment of responsibilities between between objects. So this like is maybe like because like some association, like who does what and that's kind of stuff. So yeah, let's go in creational patterns, and I don't know, I will just dive deep into ones that I will choose because I don't want this video too long. So let's read what we have. Factory method, and I think I know that I heard that abstract factory, maybe less known. Builder, prototype, singleton. Okay, singleton I also know. Okay, so basically factory mode and singleton I heard of. Okay, let's go deeper. Structural patterns. Okay, bridge. Okay, I heard that. Adapter. I heard that. Decorator. Not so. Facade. I heard that. And yes, it's all. Proxy. I also heard it. Okay, behavioral patterns. Chain of responsibility. Now, common iterator. Okay, iterator is by the way like the C++. It has like iterators. Mediator, strategy, state, observer, memento, template, method, visitor. Okay, so from this behavioral patterns, I heard only about iterator. Okay. Okay, so I don't know, let's just try factory method. Like factory is creation and design pattern that provides an interface for creating an objects in a superclass. What else that will be great? Yes, so I don't know, like so we have some class dialog. Okay, we have some stuff that is like created on top of this one. Uh, what is actually factory here? Factory method you add to the dialog. Okay, I don't think it's a good example to be honest because it's like inheritance, but again, so maybe this is like saying that we have like some abstract method and yeah, we have create buttons, so maybe we call it, no, we don't call it, okay. Yeah, it's kind of strange. It's really kind of strange. Uh, okay, so I didn't understand what is a factory, so maybe it's connected like to some kind of inheritance, but okay, let's go next. So singleton. Singleton is creational design pattern that lets you ensure that a class has only one instance. Yeah, and this is like really commonly, there's like unique pointers and else kind of stuff. So it's also like a descriptor in Windows and other stuff. So basically, yeah, you have like a pointers, right? So you have a pointer, so you don't have real value. So a real value is not copyable. So it's only like one real value, and others are just like linking to it or other some stuff. But the real value is stored only in one place. Okay. Okay, it was kind of pretty. Okay, so from here we can like go to adapter. Adapter is a structural design pattern that allows objects with incompatible interfaces to collaborate. Okay, so it seems pretty easy, right? So for example, here we have like two stuff. We have car and we have, I don't know, um, how this one is called. Well, basically the thing that is going through the rails, okay, and here we see the adapter of those three like bars which is connecting car and this rail. Okay, it's pretty easy. So imagine you have two classes and you create like a third class that is adapter of those two classes. So in real life maybe you have two libraries and you create like special special things that will connect to libraries. Okay, that's kind of easy. Bridge. Bridge is a structural design pattern that lets you split a large class to or a set of closely related classes into two separated abstraction and implementation, which can be developed independently of each other. Okay, so it's like a splitting, like creating an interface to the class, right? So we have some class, so we have like some TV, and we creating like a bridge to it. So uh, instead of using like TV, we use like remote control, right? Okay, pretty simple, right? Okay, decorator, I think it's like a wrapper. Okay, facade. Okay, I also heard a facade is a structural design pattern that provides a simplified interface to a library or a framework or any other complex set of classes. Okay, so again, it's like a wrapper, so I don't see any point. Okay, so and from here we can go like to, I don't know, I don't heard of all of those. I only heard like about iterator because it's a C++ feature. Iterator is a behavioral design pattern that lets you traverse elements of a collection without exposing its underlying representation. Yeah, so that is basically what the iterator is. So you can have an iterator and it really doesn't matter. I mean, you don't care about the structure. It can be a list array or something else, but since you have an iterator, you just call iterator plus plus and it is going like to the next element. Okay, so it's like kind of abstraction again, and that's all stuff. Okay, guys, I think that's all for what patterns of programming. So leave a like, place a comment, subscribe to the channel, share this video among the friends if you don't have them, gain them. Okay, bye.